But somehow in Goan politics, there are always bound to be some people who give wrong advice. I remember Churchill, myself, and that time Suresh Parulikar. We were only supposed to be Minister of State. And I still repent that because we were not made ministers those days, we revolted, we formed another group, and which has been happening in Goa time and again. And it brought down his government. But I had an opportunity to make up for that. Mr. Pratap Singh Rane will remember, I went to his house, he was not even knowing. I said, Mr. Rane, you're going to become Chief Minister again. What he said, he just got up from me, I said, I am promising you, and Narasimha Rao was the Prime Minister that time. I said, the operation changeover has been given to me, nobody knows, don't tell anybody, I told him. He did not believe me. And in a week's time, or 8 days' time, he was back in the chair as Chief Minister. But what is important from this gentleman politician is, he kept his word. He was supposed to be sworn in alone because who was being dethroned was Dr. Willie. He was making, obviously he had his tantrums. He did not want to come as his deputy. I had to go and convince him also. Finally I brought him, and later on he was sworn in. But there were a lot of problems. But he insisted on one thing. You are the person who has made, I said, make me last, make the other ministers. And I gave the name. He, and especially I remember Mrs. Vijaya Devi Rane, she said, no, Movin, you have done everything. You should also come in this first 4 who are coming. And Subhash Shirodkar, myself, Narvekar, we were sworn in along with Mr. Pratap Singh Rane. So this is the rare history of Goa. And that's why he commands so much respect. Even when another government was there, he was sitting there as speaker. Why? Because he commands that much of respect. You should, if you demand, you will not get anything. Today, that he is a thorough gentleman, he has proved further. He said he was pleading with all of us, please don't speak good about me. What you have congratulated me, what you have done by coming in the well of the house and congratulating, that is enough. That really speaks the character of a person. And I am happy that there is one such person in the house. And everything does not happen according to one's wishes. I have so many other sweet memories with him. I don't want to take the time of this August house. Only one bitter memory I have, and it was not his fault, because some wrong advice was given for having issued a notification which did not go to the cabinet. I will point out so many such 100 decisions that in spite of the then AG's opinion that it can be ratified by the cabinet, it was not ratified. Till today, I am facing the cases. He may not remember. I am suffering those cases for doing nothing. Issuing a notification without going to the cabinet. So why I am bringing this point, not that I am trying to point out some fault against him. I want our people to be a little more objective. When they sit in power, when they sit on those chairs, don't look at your opposition as your enemy. Today he is there on the other side, tomorrow he can be this side. This is what has happened in Goa. Look at everything objectively. Don't look at anybody as your enemies. केन्ना कोणाची गरज पडटली ती आमकां केन्नाच सांगपा जायना. गोंयचें पॉलिटिक्स अशेंच चल्लां. फुडाराकूय अशेंच चलतलें. कित्याक चलतलें? आमी एक ल्हान स्टेट, एक ल्हान प्रांत, half a size of a district of the biggest state. Everybody knows everybody. तूं मायकाचेर सुद्दां उलयता आसतना कुच 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 करून रोखडे पावले ते दुसऱ्या तेरार पावले. So we have to be nicer and nicer, as nice as possible. And that is what is going to stand us in the long run. So I take this opportunity of congratulating one of the tallest leaders in our beautiful state of Goa, a thorough gentleman, a gentleman politician who was always in the service of the people. I wish him good health, because that is what is ultimately necessary. And may the same blessings, see, these things don't happen without blessings of God. He has God's blessing. That's why he is not only come to the house, he is healthy looking, looking like a youngster. This is the blessing of God. I wish his family all the best. And I am sure his son will try to follow the footsteps of his father, not try to deviate too much. I'm very open. Emulate him, and you will be greater than him. If you don't emulate him, you will go down. This is my humble advice to him also. He should not feel bad, because I call a spade a spade. So same way, I say, Mr. Pratap Singh Rane, wish you all the best. My salute to you. May God bless you. Thank you very much.
Michael Lobo. speak on a very, very visionary leader. Speaker sir, I say him visionary because right from the year 1972, where our colleague Rohan Khunte said that we were not even born. Speaker sir, I followed him when he was the Speaker of Goa Legislative Assembly, and I used to be a Zilla member, and I used to come and sit on top. And I used to see Honorable Shri Pratap Singh Rane, how he actually kept the discipline, the decorum of this house. The way he used to tell the members, he used to give orders to the members. The way he kept the discipline of this house. I say that he is a visionary leader because the first Chief Minister started the education, all the schools in the state of Goa. जो तरी स्कुलां फुडें येल्या जाल्यार आमच्या एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टरान बाब प्रताप सिंग राणे. स्पीकर सर, स्पेशल चिल्ड्रना खातीर जी स्कुलां घातल्या, संजय स्कूल आसूं, बाकीच्या गोंयान कितलीच स्कुलां प्रायवेटली पासून स्टार्ट जाल्या, गव्हर्मेंट एडीड स्टार्ट जाल्या, तेजे क्रेडीट बाब प्रताप सिंग राणेंक वयता. आनी म्हाका उगडास येता जेन्ना तेजी मिसीज, तेजी चेअरमॅन आसली आमची स्कूल संजय स्कूल, म्हाका थिंगासर एकदां संदी मेवली वचपाक. इतले बरे डिसिप्लीन, त्या भुरग्यांक इतले एटेन्शन दिवप. आनी बाब प्रताप सिंग राणेय थिंगा येयल्लो, तेन्ना तो CM आसलो, थिंगा येयल्लो. आनी तेणें तो जे हिसपान बारीक बारीक गजाली पळयतालो ते म्हाका अशें आमी सगळ्यांनी शिकपाची गरज आहा. बाब रोहन खंवटेन सांगलां आमी तेजे शिकता म्हणून, हांवूय तेजे शिकता. तेणें जे हिसपान गोंया खातीर विजन पळयल्ले, जावं ते उदक दिवपाक नॉर्थ गोवाक वा सावथ गोवाक, रोड्स आसूं, ब्रिजीस आसूं, हे सभागृह आसूं, बाकीचे सगळे वस्तू आसूं. स्पीकर सर, म्हाका दिसता असलो टॉल लिडर आमी गोंयान पळोवंक ना. तेचे व्हडले तो दाखयना. तेणें इतली वस्तू ज्यो त्या टायमार चालू केल्ल्यो, जे लँड एक्विजिशनां केले, आयज लँड एक्विजिशन करूंक मेळना. स्पीकर सर, आमचे कोस्टल बेल्टाक जे 40,000 स्क्वेअर मीटर, 2 लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर ऑन द आग्वादा प्लेटो, बागान जो तर 27,000 स्क्वेअर मीटर, माझेच कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन 8 लँड एक्विजिशन जाल्यो ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर प्रताप सिंग राणे आसलो तेन्ना. आनी त्यो आमी पुट टू यूज केल्यो आयज. ऑल दीस प्लेसीस आर पुट टू यूज, एंड द गोवन्स एंड द Indian tourists and the international tourists are using these places is only because of you. I want to give you this credit. That is why I said I want to speak today. Thank you very much. You don't know what you have done. The vision what you saw that time, the vision what you saw that this land on the Kandoli beach had to be acquired. Where will people go in the washrooms? Where will people park their bikes and cars? Whether there should be a children's park or not. Yes, सगळे विजन तुवें तेन्ना पळयल्ले. आयज आमी हें करून दाखयल्लें आहा. सेंटराकसून पयशे हाडले आमी केले, पूण लँड मेवची नासली आयज आमकां. तुवें जर तर तेन्ना ती लँड एक्वायर करूंक नासली जाल्यार आमकां ही लँड मेवची नासली. 2 लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर ऑन द आग्वादा प्लेटो. You have acquired this. People of Goa should know about this. आयज जर तर आमी थिंगा प्रकल्प घातल्या, सेंटराचे पयशे हाडून थिंगा बरे बरे वस्तू केल्या. खूब पयशे मोडल्या, 10 कोटी मोडल्या, 20 कोटी मोडल्या, 30 crores मोडल्या. वेगवेगळे जाग्यार. अंजुना, you must be not even remembering this. Speaker sir, Anjuna, Wagator, Morji, Arambol, all these places, all the land was acquired under your leadership. And I want to thank you again. Speaker sir, this tall leader, the vision what we had, the people of Goa should know about it. And I wish good health for you, sir. And I want to see you again for the next tenure. Yes, we all want to see you. Because तुझे कडसून आमी शिकलेले आहा. आयज बसून तुझे उलयता, सांगता, ह्या सभागृहान सगळे मानून घेता. बाब विश्वजीत राणे जो तुजो एक बरो व्हडलो लीडर तो. Whatever Bab Mavin said was little jokingly, but I treat him as a good leader. I told him that you have to tell your daddy to contest again because we want you in this August House to guide us, and you can never know what can happen. You may again lead this state for the coming tenure. God knows which side. Thank you, Speaker, sir.
प्रसाद गावकर.
स्पीकर सर, आयज जे कंक्लुशन मोशन हांगा मूव जाल्ले कडेन आसा ताजेर उलयता आसतना ऑनरेबल ह्या हावजाचे आदले सीएम श्री प्रताप सिंग राणे हांचे 50वे ह्या भागां भितर ह्या हावजां भितर 50 वर्सां पूर्ण जाता आनी ह्या 50 वर्सां पूर्णते कडेन आयज इतलेंच उलोवन दिसता की राजकीय हातूंतल्यान चालू करून आपली वाटचाल चालू करून आयज पर्यंत गोंयच्या ह्या सभागृहाक 50 वर्सां अखंड चालू दवरलें मदीं केन्नाच खंडीत जायनासतना आनी आयज पर्यंत आपली कारकिर्दी आपल्या हातांतल्यान एक आमदार एक मंत्री आनी ह्या गोंयचो सीएम म्हणून जी कारकिर्दी ह्या गोंया खातीर ह्या गोंयाच्या लोकां खातीर जे आपले कार्य जे करपाचे भाग पाडले आनी कसलोच स्वार्थ नासतना निस्वार्थी भावनेन ह्या गोंयची सेवा करपाची जांकां एक अधिकार मेळ्ळो आनी त्या अधिकारान ह्या गोंयच्या प्रत्येक लोकांक जे आपल्या हातीन जाता ते दिवपाचो प्रयत्न केलो अशें आयज आमचे माननीय श्री प्रताप सिंग रावजी हांची आयज 50 वर्सां ह्या हावजाक जातात. जवळ जवळ आतां तांकां 82 वर्सां जालीं. म्हाका एक इन्सिडंट याद जाता कारण जेन्ना ते मुख्यमंत्री आशिल्ले आमी तेन्ना पयलीं जल्मा सुद्दां आयले नासले पूण 84 जेन्ना ते मुख्यमंत्री आशिल्ले त्या वेळाचेर साळावलीचो प्रोजेक्ट चालू आशिल्लो आनी साळावली टू वास्को पायपलायनचें काम चालू जाल्लें आनी त्या टायमाचेर काही शेतकाऱ्यांचेर एक आमचे आनी आमचे बरोबर आनीक 4-5 शेतकाऱ्यांचेर जेन्ना पायपलायन जेन्ना काम चालू आशिल्लें तेन्ना एक रॉंग दिशेन तेजी सर्वे केल्ली गेल्ली आशिल्ली आनी तें नुकसाण भरपाई जाता म्हणून आमी शेतकारांनी एक उलो मारिल्लो. त्या वेळार म्हाज्या बापायन आनी बाकीचे सगळे आसतना माधवबाब काकोडकर हे आशिल्ले त्या टायमाचेर आयज तेन्ना पूण तांणी मुद्दम आमच्या सराक आपूण त्या वेळाचेर मळकनी भागाक व्हेल्ले. त्या वेळाचेर हांव ल्हान आशिल्लो सादारण 9 वर्सांचो सुमार 9 ते 10 वर्सांचो आनी अशेंच आमची घराक आंगणा बसले कडेन आसतना खात्याक घेवन म्हणलें म्हाका तूं गांवकारांक चलून रे म्हणून. सो आयज त्या टायमाचेर आमी स्वप्नां सुद्दां विचार करूनासलो की आयज तांचे बरोबर खंय तरी ह्या घरा भितर खानाक खान बरोवन हांगा बसतले म्हणून तांचे कडेन कांय गोश्टी ज्यो आसा त्यो शिकपाक मेळटली म्हणून. आयज अशा लिडराच्या ह्या सभागृहाक भितर तांच्या हातूंतल्यान भरपूर कांय आमी शिकपा सारकें आसा आनी शिक्षण घेवपा जाय कारण हातूंतल्यानच आयज राजकीय हितून भितर जर पळयलें तें आमच्या बापायच्या भितर आज्याच्या लेवलाचेर आसा पूण खंय तरी हातूंतल्यान तांच्या हातूंतल्यान शिकपाक खूब आसा. तें शिक्षण आमच्या सभागृहा भितर खुबश्या लोकांनी घेवपाक जाय आनी आयज पर्यंत घेवचें आमी सगळ्यांनी आनी अशीच तांची वाटचाल जी आसा राजकीय हातूंतल्यान तशेंच आमकां सगळ्यांक संबोधीत करपाची वाटचाल जी आसा ती सदांच तांच्या उरची हांव देवा कडेन मागतां की तांकां अखंड आयुश्य लाभचें आनी गोंयची सेवे खातीर गोंयकाराची सेवा करपाक तांकां अखंड आयुश्य देवान दिवचें इतलें मागतां. थँक्यू.
विश्वजीत राणे.
All of us to have, to me, being in the assembly also, completing 50 years yesterday, and my father completing 50, entering his 50th year of representing the Goa Legislative Assembly. It is a very proud moment for all of us and also a learning experience. Most of the members and senior members in this house, like Mr. Falero, Mr. Digambar Kamath Churchill, Mr. Sudhin Dovekar, and many others who are here present in the house, including my friend Reginald, or whether it's Philip Neri, whether it's Babu Asgaonkar, or several other leaders. I've had this opportunity actually to watch the growth of my father in politics. I was very small and I was exposed at that time when I used to see things happen, right from the language agitation to the statehood and the relationships we developed with each other. Speaker sir, it's a proud moment for me for people to mention me being in this assembly, in this August House, about the work that he has done, the contributions to the state of Goa, bringing Shogam to the state of Goa, and bringing Goa on the tourism world map through the then leadership. And also, it's a very emotional moment because to have him complete 50 years and the people reposing trust in him in every election, generally we see over a period of time the margin of a leader going down, margin of a politician keep going down, and it gradually goes down as the years pass. But in his case, it has been different. It's actually, the graph has been going up. And every time there's an election or polls take place, the youth, including every citizen of our area, tend to vote for him in larger numbers every election. The type of moments that we have seen as a family and the type of situations that have come across us, right from the language agitation, Churchill is here, right from building the Fatorda Stadium, where he used to go day and night along with his then colleague, Mr. Montecruz. Mr. Dovikar also was to a great extent there, and these type of projects that were brought into the state of Goa, which have never been replicated so by far in the state of Goa. Speaking as his son, and just is not only talking about him, but talking about him as somebody who represents a part of his constituency and who came into politics because of the legacy that he left in my constituency. People believe in you, people still believe in him, people believe in me because I am his son. And it's a great responsibility to live up to that expectation because people want to believe in you. People want you to have the same type of value systems that he stood for. People want you to, people generally tend to compare you, that you will also perform like how he has performed over the years. He was a very vibrant leader and very strict with all of us. Somebody just mentioned that he didn't allow us to cross. There was in the Chief Minister's residence, there used to be a spring door, and we were never allowed to cross that door. One day I tried to give some instructions to somebody, so I didn't know my father is standing down, and there was a police constable down, so I was yelling at him from the top of the window. So I didn't know, somebody came to call me that my father has called me down. So then he mentioned down in the audience, there must have been at least 100, 150, 200 people. He says, Portuguese rule is got over a long time back, and this is a democracy, and you have no role here to give instructions to anybody. I am the Chief Minister. If any instruction has to be given, it will be given by me. You have no role here, so please make sure that you don't yell next time or give instructions to government servants. So this is the type of discipline, and then we did that. After that day, I never crossed that door, never yelled from the window, or never interfered with any government machinery or government system. For us, and for me, yesterday also was emotional because you go through this whole journey where you see all the leaders present here. I've seen them as a child, I've seen them as a youngster, whether it is Churchill, who came to save his government the day it was falling, on principles that he wanted to support him. Whether it is Marvin Gudino, who spearheaded a movement to again support him to bring him back to power. Whether it is Mr. Luisin Falero, who made up his mind that no, he has to become the Chief Minister of the state of Goa. Language agitations, different types of agitations, and different types of issues that came forward. We as a family remained united, and I think time helped him solve those situations in a different way. Today, each one of us have a very close family bond and a relationship, whether it is Churchill, whether it is Mr. Falero, whether it is any other senior leader of the house, whether it is Mr. Dovikar, who used to drop me to school. Nobody knows these type of equations that exist in the state of Goa. We had that type of relationships, including Churchill. Churchill showed that he was a person of value and principles. Nobody knows it because he came and signed the paper when the government was falling and when the government had no numbers. And that is what Churchill is. Whether it is Babush, who always stood by the government, always stood by us as a family, and today he has to be acknowledged because not because he's here in the house, because I've seen what type of contribution he has been always there with my father for so many years. Only used to say, Chief, I want to see you back. That was only one line. Babush is one person none of you must be knowing in the house, who I know from the 5th standard. And these are type of relations that we cherish. We may not speak openly. We may have different issues. But I have grown up in this environment. As a student of the 5th standard, we used to call Babush Diamond Babush, because he used to have a very fancy car, and that's the car which I used to go and stand in every recess to have a look at. And those are the memories which I have of Babush. Mr. Digambar Kamath knows my father from the time I must have been 1 or 2 years old. So these are the relationships. We have seen political turmoil, we have seen political regrouping, but the relation and the bond never changed. When Churchill lost his election, my father was the first one to go and see him and visit him. Whether it is Philip Neri sitting here, he was the first one. My father had no role to play actively, but he did go and say that, don't give up, don't lose hope. And we all have a different type of a relationship. And that type of relationship where you still love a leader or love a person as a gentleman or a human being. For me, it's a proud moment as his son because people look up to me in my constituency as his son, repose faith in me continuously in any kind of election because I am the son of Mr. Pratap Singh Rane. I may have done work, but that legacy of his to carry forward is a very heavy legacy to take on. We are all proud of you. I'm proud to be his son, and we are very proud that he has completed 50 years. Destiny is something that nobody can predict. Destiny is something that is written in your destiny. Just now somebody said that Mr. Rane may be in the assembly again. That is something that only destiny can say, or destiny makes you act in a particular way where we may see Mr. Rane back or my father back in the assembly. That's all his people, his electorate, and all his people and what they tell him and what he does at that point of time. I would like to wish him all the best, and I can assure him on the floor of the House, though I may be belonging to a different political party, my value systems from him don't change. Those are the same value systems I have stood for. Those are the same value systems I will stand for. I believe, he always tells me, people may move left and right, but you try to stick on to whatever you have picked up now. Good times and bad times will always come in any kind of a political system, but don't always try to be on the ruling side by taking decisions that you generally tend to take in haste. And I think that has tested, and every time he has been unanimously selected as the Chief Minister of the political party he represents and he believes. Leaders like Mr. Falero, like Mr. Kamath, Mr. Dovrikar, even if Mr. Parikar was here today amongst us, he would have had so much to say about him because that was the type of relationship that we shared. There are so many leaders present in this house, and we have a very different type of a relationship and a family bond with each one of them. I would like to thank a lot of people. Marvin, I can also assure Marvin that I'm not going to be deviating from anything. I'm going to be very steady in what we believe in. And I'm proud that Pratap Singh Rane is a name to reckon with in Sattari even today. Not only in Sattari, but he's respected all over the state of Goa. And like Marvin said, you need to command respect, not demand respect. Your position cannot get you respect. Your position has to be something, and you have to behave in an appropriate manner to command respect. And I think that is what he believed in. And I also will believe in the same principles like you have believed. But for us, it's a proud moment. Actually, I was planning so much that 50 years, the minute he enters this 50 years, Honorable Chief Minister also mentioned the other day. I also talked to Amit Shah ji because I wanted him to write a foreword on my father, and he immediately gave instructions because he said, he's a man who's a unique man, and I will be writing the foreword of the book that you're trying to bring out. When I met the Prime Minister before joining the Bharatiya Janata Party, only one thing he told me, I have known your father for a long time. Whenever we used to sit for the Planning Commission meetings, Gujarat and Goa used to be next to each other. Only 2 lines I got from the Prime Minister is, like, try to be like your father. And that is what I think has remained in my mind when I visualize and see the Prime Minister in front of me. And that is the respect he commands all over the country. And I would like to thank you, Speaker, sir, for giving me this time. And I would like to wish my father good life and many more years to public service. And I can assure him that the value systems that he stood for will never be broken. Thank you, Speaker, sir.
दीपक पावसकर.
स्पीकर सर, सभागृहात अभिनंदन ठराव मांडला तेजेर 2 शब्द उलोवपाक हांव उबो रावलो. माननीय प्रताप सिंग राणेजी हांकां सभागृहात सभासद म्हणून 50 वर्सां कंप्लीट जाता म्हणून ह्या आनंदाच्या क्षणात फाटल्या 50 वर्सांक जो इतिहास आसा गोंयच्या विविध क्षेत्रांत त्यांनी बऱ्यापैकी काम केलां. खास करून 20 कलमी कार्यक्रम जो राबयला खऱ्या अर्थान म्हणटा तशें प्रत्येक गरीब व्यक्तीक घर बांदपाक जागो त्या टायमार मेळ्ळो. म्हाज्या दारबांदे मतदारसंघाक, दारबांदे तालुक्याक आनी सावर्डे मतदारसंघाक जायत्या गरीब लोकांक आयज घरां आसा वीज कलमी कार्यक्रमाक. तशेंच एग्रीकल्चराक सुद्दां शेतकार भावांक त्यांनी बरें रिलीफ दिल्लें आसा. त्या टायमार डॅम बांदून तिराळे धरणाचें उदक गोंयाक हाडून पिवपाक दिल्लें आसाच. वयल्यान शेतकी वेवसाया खातीर सुद्दां हे लोकांक उदक मेळटा. ग्रामीण भागांत खरें एक आधारस्तंभ आनी गोंयचे लोकांचो मोग जिखपी आमचे माननीय प्रताप सिंग राणे सगळ्यांनी सगळ्या सभागृहांत सगळ्या सभासदांनी तेंचे बद्दल प्रेमाचे 2 शब्द सगळ्यांनी उलयल्ले आसा. खरेंच अभिमान दिसता. म्हाकाय एक गोश्ट सांगून दिसता. 2017 साकून आयज पर्यंत हांव ह्या सभागृहांत पावलो आनी म्हाजो एक क्षण म्हटल्यार चोर्ला घाटाक जेन्ना हॉटमिक्स कार्पेट घालपाचो दीस थारायलो आनी त्या दिसाक सकाळीं 8:30 वरांचेर म्हाका प्रताप सिंग राणेजींचो फोन आयलो आनी खरेंच म्हाका बरें दिसलें. एक कट्सी कॉल आनी ह्या फोनाचेर म्हाका सांगलें आपूण थंय पावूंक शकना कित्याक आपल्याक कोवीड पॉझिटिव्ह जावन दीस जालो ना. तेन्ना तूं हे नाल्ल दवरपाचे कार्यक्रम कर आनी हो रस्तो बऱ्यापैकी करून घे. आनी म्हाजें अभिनंदन केलें. म्हाज्या त्या एकूच फोनान हांव कितलेशेच म्हाजो विचार बदल्लो. म्हणजे आमचे सिनियर लिडर तांकां बारीक बारीक गोश्टीची सुद्दां नजर आसा. कित्याक हो चोर्ला घाट जावचो म्हणून त्यांनी 19 साकून तेंचे प्रयत्न आसुल्ले. 20 कोवीड-19 महामारी खातीर थंय आमी हॉटमिक्स कार्पेट घालूंक पावले ना. 2020 जानेवारी सुद्दां तेंचे फोन येताले हॉटमिक्स कार्पेट केन्ना घालतात चोर्ला घाटाक. खरेंच तो फोनाचेर सुद्दां म्हागेलें सामकें मन भरून आयलें. म्हाका खूब अनुभव आसा 17 साकून आयज पर्यंत. हांव 17 सुद्दां 2017 हांव जेन्ना विधानसभेक पावचे पयलीं हांव तेंच्या घरा कडेन गेल्लो आल्तिनूक म्हणजे आल्तिनो बंगल्यार. एक क्षण आसलो. अशी म्हाजी व्हडलीशी वळख नासली. म्हाजे बापायचे फ्रेंड पयलीं तेन्ना आमी एकदां बापूय म्हजो पंच आसतना हांव ल्हान आसलो तेन्ना गेलो. म्हणजे ल्हान म्हटल्यार 20 वर्सांचो आसलो तेन्ना. पूण हांव जेन्ना आल्तिनो बंगल्यार गेलो हांवें म्हटलें म्हाका मिनिस्ट्रीशीप मेळ्ळी ना आनी मेळपाक जाय आसली कित्याक बाकीच्या सपोर्ट केल्या त्या पक्षाक मिनिस्ट्रीशीप दिल्या. तेन्ना हांव कितें करूं. म्हाका जायते फोन येता काँग्रेस आमदारांचे तूं यो. पूण हांव तेन्ना जेन्ना तांकां विचारपाक गेलो खरेंच मन भरलें म्हाजें तेन्ना 2017. त्यांनी सांगलें तूं आनी काय विचार करनाका. तूं चल. तूं पयलीं फावट निवडून आयल्लो आसा. तुज्या पक्षा आसा जंय आसा थंय राव. बाकीचो विचार करनाका. तेन्ना तेणी हें मार्गदर्शन अजुनूय म्हाका याद आसा. जाल्यार खरेंच ग्रेट आमचे प्रताप सिंग राणेजी. तुमचे 50 वर्सांचे हांव तुमकां प्रार्थना करता सगळ्या कडेन. म्हणजे खरेंच बरे नेता आनी आमचे गोंयचेच न्ही आमच्या देशाचेय अशें म्हाका दिसता 50 वर्सां कंप्लीट जावन सभागृहांत आसा ते पयले नेता आसुल्ले. तामिळनाडूक आसुल्ले, केरळा आसुल्ले पूण आतां ते ना. पूण आमचे प्रताप सिंग राणे जे गोंयच्या सगळ्यांचे मनाक आसुल्ले काळजाक आसुल्ले गोंयचे खातीर त्यांनी काम केल्लें आसा. सदांच तुमकां देवाचें ब्लेसींग आसतलें. हांव सगळ्यांक देव तुमकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. सपाती म्हाका 2 शब्द उलोवपाक दिले बद्दल.
Ajina Saldana.
Speaker Sir, I rise to congratulate Shri Pratap Singh Rane on his completion of 50 years as an elected representative of the people. This is definitely a blessing from the Almighty. And all along, during his tenure of 50 years, whether as one of the chief ministers of Goa or as an MLA, he has maintained his dignity, discharged his duties in a manner that commanded respect from his constituents, from his opponents, and from the people of Goa at large. Truly, sir, you are a great leader, a leader to be emulated. Sir, what I admire most about you, however, is the fact that you are thoroughly a gentleman for all occasions, because no matter what the situation, you never let go of your composure and your self-dignity. As a legislator and as one of the chief ministers of Goa, your contribution towards administration, towards development and progress is phenomenal. And the faith and the trust that is reposed by the people of your constituency is evidence of this fact. I end, sir, by wishing you many, many more years of success, and may the Almighty bless you with good health, peace, and joy. And may you continue to be a source of inspiration to all the young representatives of the people. Thank you, Speaker, sir.
Glenn Diclo.
Speaker, sir, I rise to support the congratulatory motion moved by leader of opposition, Mr. Digambar Kamath. And first and foremost, I'm privileged to be here in this August House to have Mr. Rani, Senior Rani here as one of our tallest leaders. He's a great man, one of the great men with great personality, down to earth, man of principle, a man of ethics. And of course, I've interacted with him. I've been knowing from a young boy when he joined the assembly, I was just 10 years old. And I've seen him in my young days as a chief minister, leader of opposition, as a minister, and a great person. So I wish you all the very best, sir. I hope that God gives you a long life and good health. As you always see, you always ask him, sir, how you maintain your health? He says, I was always into horse riding. And till today, probably, if you see him, he is an example to all of us, and especially to all the young legislators over here, and also the future people to enter the assembly all over here. I wish you good health, and we hope to see you back again in 2022. We would love to see you back again, so that we all can learn from you the way you have been a great leader in the state of Goa. Thank you, Speaker, sir.
Subhash Shirokar.
बापश्री प्रतापसिंग राणी हांच्या 50 वर्सांच्या कारकिर्दी पूर्ण जाल्ले कारण निमित्यान बापश्री दिगंबर कामत हांणी जो ठराव मांडिल्लो आसा ताका अनुमोदन करूनच 2 उतरां उलोवपा संबंदी हांव राविल्लो आसा. स्वाती महाशय न्हय फक्त गोंयांतूच तर आख्ख्या भारत देशांत ती मागीर लोकसभा आसूं राज्यसभा आसूं किंवा वेगवेगळ्या राज्यांतल्यो विधानसभा आसूं ह्या सगळ्या हातूंतल्यान 50 वर्सां पूर्ण करपी राजकारणी अत्यंत थोडेच आसतले आनी त्या वळेरे भितर आमचे प्रतापसिंग राणे जे आसा हांचें नांव नक्कीच येतलें, हातूंत दुबावूच ना. जे मोजकेच अशे लोक जांणी पुराय आपली हयात राजकारणांत किंवा समाजकारणांत हांव म्हणटा ते प्रमाणे घालयली, तातूंतले बाब श्री प्रतापसिंग राणे हे एक आसात. म्हज्यान तांची वळख जी आसा ती 1980 जाली बरोबर. हांव त्या वेळार शिरोडे गांवचो सरपंच आनीक गांवच्या कामाच्या निमित्तान विकासाच्या निमित्तान ताजे कडेन आयिल्लो आनी ताजे नंतर मागीर त्या संबंदांतल्या माध्यमांतल्यान मागीर 1984 विधानसभेची पयली तिकेट मेळ्ळी आनी तेन्ना पासून ते हाल्ली पर्यंत तांचें मार्गदर्शन घेवन शिरोडा मतदारसंघ आनी गोंयच्या विंगड भागांत काम कशें करचें हें हांव पळयत आयिल्लो आसा आनी करीत आयिल्लो आसा. आमी जितले उलयतले तितले तांकां एम्ब्रेसमेंट स्वभावानुसार आनी म्हणून ताणें सुरवातीक म्हणिल्लें तुमी उलोवपान भानगडी पडनाका तशें म्हणून. पण तरी आसतना ह्या कार्याची नोंद ही घेवंकूच जाय जेणे करून भावी पिढी जी आसा ते पिढी मुखार अत्यंत कुशल राजकारणी, मुस्तदी राजकारणी आनी नितीवान राजकारणी कशे आसात हेजें चित्र जें आसा पळय न्ही तें गोंयकारां मुखार येवपाक जाय. आनी म्हणूनच बाब श्री प्रताप राणे हांणी 1972 पासून ते आज तागायत गोंयच्या विविधांगी सुधारणेत जो आपलो हातभार, आपलें मार्गदर्शन, आपलें विजन जें दाखयलां तें तमाम गोंयकारां मुखार आसा. आज आमी गोंयकार आमचे फॉरेस्ट कवर जें आसा 70% म्हणटात. म्हाका म्हणून दिसता की तांची झाडां बद्दलची निसर्गा बद्दलची आपुलकी आशिल्ली पळय न्ही त्या नुसार गोंयांत आज जवळ जवळ 70% आमचे जे कवर ग्रीन कवर जे आसा आमकां आज पळोवपाक मेळटा. शिक्षणा संबंदी बीन गोंय जें आसा पळय न्ही तें गोमंतका आपल्या देशांत केरळाच्या फाटोफाट आसा 2ऱ्या नंबराचेर. भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकर आदले पयले मुख्यमंत्री ताजे नंतर बाब प्रतापसिंग राणे हांणी शिक्षणाच्या मळार जें कितें काम केलें त्या अनुसार आमी आज म्हणूं शकतात की येस की गोंय जें आसा हें 2 नंबराचें राज्य आसा शिक्षणाच्या मळाचेर. बाब प्रतापसिंग राणे हांणी घेतिल्लो निर्णय कदंबा बस सेवा आज जाचो फायदो लाखांनी गोंयकारांक सगळे ग्रामीण भागांतल्या गोंयकारांक आज ताजो लाभ मेळटा हे गोंयकार केन्ना विसरचे नात. अशी एक आनी दोन न्ही ते मागीर राज्याचो दर्जो आसूं गोंय आपल्या राज्याक किंवा नंतर मागीर आमचे भाशेचो विशय आसूं हे सगळ्या विशयां संबंदी एक विजनरी फुडाकार घेवन तांणी निर्णय जे घेतले ते नक्कीच लाभकारक गोंयाक जाल्ले आसात आनी गोंयचे जनतेक जाल्ले आसात. हांव आनी चड विशेश न उलयतां. तांकां बरें आयुश्य आनी बरें आरोग्य जेणे करून अजुनूय मुखार गोंयची सेवा करपाचो तांक तांकां मेळुये आनी कुटुंबा भितर बरे पद्दतीन सहभागी जावपाची तांकां तांक मेळुये अशें मागता आनी म्हजी ल्हानशी उतरां सोंपयता. तुमकां परत एकदां देवा कडेन मागता की बरें आयुश्य आनी बरें आरोग्य मेळचें अशें म्हणून.
जोशिवा
Speaker, sir, I rise to support the motion by Honorable Leader of Opposition, Shri Digambar Kamath, and to congratulate Mr. Pratap Singh Rane on completing 50 long years. Speaker, sir, one of the most respected politicians in Goan politics is our ex-Chief Minister, Shri Pratap Singh Rane. It is not a joke to have completed 50 years as an MLA, and I don't know if anyone can come this close to him in the future. Speaker, sir, he is a person that I've looked up to since the age of 10, when my late father first got elected as an MLA in 1999. A memory I cherish till this day. It was post the passing out parade of the Goa police in the year 99-2000. As the parade ended, the drive back from Valpoi towards Mapsa, Mr. Rane invited my late father to join him on a drive. On the way back, he showed him his farm that was on the way from Valpoi towards Mapsa. And being a young boy, I was so thrilled and excited that being a new MLA, Mr. Rane, being such a senior person, invited him and made him sit in his own vehicle and drove with him all the way back. Subsequently, I've watched him in the assembly sessions from the age of 12, right till getting elected as an MLA myself. I remember in 2004-2005, when the Parrikar government collapsed and Mr. Rane was sworn in as the Chief Minister. I was in the 11th standard, about the age of 15. And somehow within, I felt that he was one of the best and most experienced politicians to lead this beautiful state of Goa. He was the Speaker of this House during the Digambar Kamath-led government, and I watched him conduct the sessions in this House, and I feel that he did his job with passion and class. There is a lot that I've learned and observed from him and the way he has executed his duties, not only as the Chief Minister, but from what I fondly remember as the Speaker of this House. I can proudly say that in my personal opinion, that he has been Goa Legislative Assembly's best speaker that I have seen till this date. Being the youngest member in this House and him being the most senior, I would say I am privileged to have had this opportunity to be an MLA during this tenure and can proudly say to the future generations that we were colleagues. I would like to wish him and his family all the very best. Thank you, Speaker, sir.
Alex Reynolds.
Speaker, sir, I rise to support or rather speak on the motion moved by the Honorable Opposition Leader, Mr. Pratap Singh Rane. My experience with him, first let us talk of the good sides. Speaker, sir, when I was in one of the sessions, I remember we were raising two very important bills, and one of the bill which I was raising was on bullfights. And I clearly remember when we were raising that, he was one of that men, one of a person who praised me for one of these bills. Ex-Minister Narvekar also had praised me for this bill. This bill was one of the bills which everybody said it won't pass the test of the assembly only, forget about the parliament, because it was
coming in the concurrent list. Speaker, sir, I remember one more incident when we were talking on medium of instruction. And I had a very brief fight with Mr. Rane and he was sitting on the chair. On the Konkani, on the issue of medium of instruction, when everybody was talking of grants to all schools, English medium schools, I remember MLA Agnel, he didn't allow him to speak. But somehow I managed fight with him and speak on that resolution which I moved in the House. And he made a mention to me. He says, you are talking nonsense. So I told him, Speaker, sir, I said, I remember me telling him as a young legislator, and I told him in the House, I said, you can't tell me that I'm speaking nonsense. You can only tell me what is right and wrong. People from my constituency will tell me at the time of the elections if I'm speaking nonsense. So this is what I argued with him. But the man understood what sort of intellect and what sort of administration, was, and he knew how to manage it. But these are all instances which, you have, and the good side is, one of his good sides is also was that he would advise you, no, that is wrong. That is right. So I look upon him that he will be, and although somebody made a mention, Michael Lobo made a mention, I know Cabral always has the last laugh. He's a very intelligent man. But he made a mention that he acquired a lot of lands. Kadamba also, he acquired a lot of lands. But when you acquire land, there is one issue. You make enemies with a person whose land is acquired. All those issues are there, but ultimately there is one justice which you get at the end of the day. Somebody praises you in the House. And I would love to be in such a position. I pray and that I am in such a position when somebody praises me. I know Cabral will not praise me because he's talking me now. But in spite of that, I would love to be in such a position. I pray that, he's an example for all of us. Although, even at one stage, he made a mention of people from London. He says and there was a big issue. There was a big issue. But his intention was not such, that I would say. Because I was the first person who went and told him, sir, you have made a mistake. Don't say that. They will get insulted. I was the first guy to when he was sitting on the opposition chair, I went and told him first. But certainly he didn't mean that. All these issues summing up and making, having that experience of coming to the 50th year of legislator is an unachievable target, at least for me. I don't think I will be able to achieve it. I don't think a lot of people will be able to achieve it. But we hope that he's an example and that we also get an opportunity one day like him. And he is an example for us that one day somebody will praise us in the House for doing work, for doing good work. Like for example, everybody doesn't remain the same day. Every rise has a fall. Every fall has a rise. Everybody has their own destiny, what the person on top has created for him. I wish him all the best. I wish him good health. I wish him happiness. I wish him whatever he wants. And we are able to, somehow one day reach we all, I'm not saying myself, I mean, all of us have an opportunity to reach his stage. Thank you, Speaker, sir.
Babu Asif.
स्पीकर सर, आमचे साहेब जे बाब प्रताप सिंग राणे हांकां ह्या विधानसभेन 50 वर्सां पूर्ण जाता म्हणून जो अभिनंदन ठराव मांडला ताका तेंको दिवपाक सुरू जाता फुडलो जोश आहा ताका त्या ठरावाक हांव सपोर्ट दिवपाक उबो रावलो आसा. आमची तितले लेवल ना तेजे बद्दल उलोवपाचें, पण तेजें कार्य आमी खूब वर्सां पर्यंत पळयत आयिल्ले आसा. म्हाका एक याद येता, ती खरी गोश्ट जाल्यार आमचो बाब प्रताप सिंग राणे सांगतलो, नाल्यार सायडीक दिगंबर बसला, नाल्यार आनी कोण कोण लिडर आहा ते सांगू शकता. जेन्ना हांव बाबू नायकाचो कार्यकर्तो आसलेलो स्पीकर सर, तेन्ना एमजीचेर राज्य जावन, पयलीं एमजीचेंच राज्य येतालें, काँग्रेसचेंय नासलेलें. आनी जेन्ना प्रताप सिंग राणे जेन्ना काँग्रेसीन येवपाचो आसलेलो म्हाका याद येता बाबू नायकाची तेन्ना ते जेन्ना प्रचाराक भोंवपाक लागले आनी मिटिंगी जावपाक लागल्यो गव्हर्मेंट जावचे पयलीं तेंच्यांनी डिक्लेअर केल्लें आमचो चीफ मिनिस्टर प्रताप सिंग राणे जातलो म्हणून बाबू नायक आसले तेन्ना हांवें म्हाज्या लायफान पळयलें पयलो मनीस प्रताप सिंग राणे जो एक नांवान काँग्रेसच्या पार्टीचें गव्हर्मेंट जालें आनी तांकां चीफ मिनिस्टर प्रताप सिंग राणे मेळ्ळो म्हणजे इतलो गोंयभर घराघरांनी पावल्लो आनी घराघरांनी तेजो प्रचार जाल्लो आनी लोकांक जाय पडलें की चीफ मिनिस्टर गोंयचो जातलो जाल्यार प्रताप सिंग राणे जावचो म्हणून आनी तेजेरच काँग्रेसीक तेन्ना मेजॉरिटी मेळ्ळी आनी प्रताप सिंग राणे हो चीफ मिनिस्टर जालो तेन्ना आमी पळयताले की ऑपोजिशन तितले दम नासलोलो थोडेच लोक येताले निवडून काँग्रेस सारकी फुडें गेल्ली तेजें कार्य पळयलां जेन्ना आमी सोशल फिल्डान काम करताले आमी ग्रासरूटांतून आयिल्ले मनीस तेन्ना 20 पॉयंट प्रोग्राम आतां पावसकारान तेजो उल्लेख केलो आमच्या सालसेतीन तेन्ना सारको डिमांड आसलो की गरीब जे लोक आसात ते आमच्या दिगंबर कामत जी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आहा मडगांवची त्या एरिया भितर खारेबांद असले खारेबांदार बांदार असे लोक रावताले चिखलान पावस आयल्यार बुडटाले त्या लोकांक प्लॉट दिवपा खातीर हांव ते कडेन गेल्लो आनी बाबू नायकाकय सांगलें की ह्या लोकांक खंय तरी शिफ्ट कर तांकां खंय तरी बरी घरां बांदून मेळची आनी तेन्ना एसींतले लोक खूब आसलेले भितर तेन्ना तेणी तेंचो जो प्रश्न आहा तेंचो तेणी घेतलो आनी दवल्ली असल्या गांवांत 20 पॉयंट प्रोग्राम जो लुईजीन फालेराची कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आसलेली कमीस कमीस 130 प्लॉट थंय आमकां दिले सेरावली ह्या जाग्यार कमीस कमीस 80 प्लॉट दिले आज ते घरा बांदून थंय आसा आनी आज ती कॉलनी सुद्दां एकदम बरी जाल्ली आहा हें कार्य तेंच्या हातांतल्यान जाल्लें हांव जेन्ना 99 जेन्ना आमदार जालो तेन्ना हांवें पळयलें की प्रताप सिंग राणे जे तेजो आवाज आनी जी सेक्रेटरीएट जी ओल्ड आसलेली आमची ती विधानसभा जे आमदार आसलेले ते विधानसभेन जे उलयताले पळय 2-2 वरां 3-3 वरां डिस्कशन जाताली सारकी व्हडली व्हडली आनी 12-1 पर्यंत सुद्दां विधानसभा चलताली मागीर विधानसभा हांगा शिफ्ट जाली बीजेपीचें सरकार जालें स्पीकर प्रताप सिंग राणे रावलो आनी तेन्ना हांवें पळयलें अख्खे विधानसभेचें जें कार्य आसलेलें तें चेंज जालें सगळ्या बाबतींत जे 3-3 वरां 4-4 वरां जे उलयताले थंय एक डिसिप्लीन आयली आनी स्पीकर आनी ताच्या फुड्यान आनी चड उलोवपाचें ना म्हाका सुद्दां 2-3 फावटी बसयलो चड उलोवप ना कायद्याचें उलय कायद्याच्या पॉयंटान उलय आनी तूं डिस्कस कर कितें आहा तें जशी ती भाशणां जाल्यार आमी तेन्ना विधानसभा पळोवपी ती भाशणाचे तेच आमी धरून हांगा येवन हांगाय ती भाशणां सोंपपाक पळोवपाक लागले पण आमकां एलावड करूं ना पण तुवें एक कार्य बरें केलें हेजे नंतर सगळे स्पीकर जाले तेंच्यांनी त्यो डिसिप्लिनां तेंच्यांनी फॉलो केली पण एक की नांवान खाली नांवान प्रताप सिंग राणे हेजे वयल्यान काँग्रेसीन गव्हर्मेंट केल्लें हें म्हाका याद आहा
बाबू
सिप
5 मिनटां पुरो तुका
5 मिनट पुरो
5 मिनटां वाडयता 5 मिनटां Under rules of the procedure and conduct of the business, I move a motion to extend the duration of the sitting house by 5 minutes. The motion is that duration of the sitting of the house be extended by 5 minutes. Those in favor say aye. Those against say no. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. The motion is carried.
हे पयली फावट हांव गोंया भितर पळोवपी जेंच्यांनी जी कार्य केलें लोक तेजे फाटल्यान आसतात ज्या रितीन प्रताप सिंग राणेन काम केलां जे नांवान तो चीफ मिनिस्टर जाला त्याचप्रमाणे आमचो एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टर मनोहर पर्रीकर त्याचप्रमाणे चीफ मिनिस्टर जालो. नांवाचेर अशें नांवाचेर चीफ मिनिस्टर जावपी खूब कमी आसा. आनी म्हाका उमेद आहा आजचे सरकार त्याच लेवलाचें चलता. फुडलो चीफ मिनिस्टर होतो आमचो डॉक्टर सावंत. 100% जातलो हेजे बद्दल डावट ना. कार्य घेवन वयता तें काम करून दाखोवंक शकता आनी तो चीफ मिनिस्टर जावंक शकता. हांव आमच्या प्रताप सिंग राणेक परवी दिता की ताका देवान भरपूर आयुष्य दिवचें. तुम जियो हजारों साल और साल के दिन हो 50,000. देव बरें करूं.
The House is adjourned up to 4:30 p.m.